Imagine a kitchen appliance that transforms mealtime chaos into a symphony of perfectly cooked dishes, all while keeping things healthy, quick, and effortless. Enter this Topzee 11-quart large air fryer 8-in-1 XL air fryer, a versatile powerhouse designed to make cooking a breeze for busy families, food enthusiasts, and health-conscious home chefs. Whether you're whipping up a feast for a crowd or preparing dual dishes with different flavors, this air fryer delivers unmatched flexibility, precision, and convenience. Let's dive into why this air fryer is a must-have for your kitchen and how it can elevate your cooking game. Why the Topzee 11-quart air fryer stands out. Air fryers have become a staple in modern kitchens, but the Topzee 11-quart takes versatility to new heights. With its innovative flexible basket design, 8-in-1 cooking modes, and family-sized capacity, it's more than just an air fryer. It's a complete cooking solution. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, this appliance simplifies meal prep while delivering crispy, delicious results with up to 85% less oil. From roasting succulent meats to baking desserts or dehydrating snacks, it handles it all with ease. Key features that make cooking a breeze. The Topzee 11-quart air fryer is packed with features that cater to every cooking scenario. Flexible basket design. Switch effortlessly between an 11-quart basket for large meals or two 5.5-quart baskets for dual cooking. The included divider gives you full control to cook multiple dishes with different settings. Family-sized cooking mode. Unlock the full 11-quart capacity to prepare hearty meals for gatherings, from crispy wings to whole roasts, without breaking a sweat. Cook and serve together. Prepare two dishes at unique temperatures and have them finish simultaneously, ensuring everything is hot and ready to enjoy. Sync cook mode. Sync both 5.5-quart baskets with one button to cook 11 quarts of food at the same settings, perfect for large batches of fries or veggies. 8-in-1 versatile cooking. Choose from preheat, air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and French fries modes to tackle any recipe with confidence. Healthier cooking. Achieve crispy, golden results with up to 85% less oil, making your favorite fried foods guilt-free and heart-healthy. Customizable cooking. Precision. Adjust temperatures from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect results, whether you're dehydrating fruit or searing a steak. Quick and easy. Cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets, crisper plates, and dividers make post-meal cleanup fast and stress-free. All-in-one package. Comes with an 11-quart basket, removable divider, crisper plate, and 17 easy recipes to spark your culinary creativity. Benefits that transform your kitchen. The Topzee 11-quart air fryer isn't just about features, it's about the real-world benefits that make your life easier and your meals tastier. Here's why it's a game-changer. Time-saving efficiency. The dual cooking and sync modes let you prepare multiple dishes at once, cutting down on meal prep time for busy weeknights or big gatherings. Healthier meals. Without sacrifice, enjoy the crunch and flavor of fried foods with significantly less oil, perfect for health-conscious eaters who still crave indulgence. Versatility for every occasion. From weeknight dinners to party spreads, the 8-in-1 functionality handles everything from appetizers to desserts with ease. Stress-free cleanup. Dishwasher-safe components mean you can toss the baskets in and relax, no scrubbing required. Perfect for all skill levels. Whether you're a novice or a pro, the intuitive controls and included recipes make cooking accessible and fun. Who is this air fryer for? The Topzee 11-quart air fryer is designed for anyone who loves great food but hates the hassle of complicated cooking. It's ideal for busy families. Feed a crowd or prep multiple dishes at once, ensuring everyone gets their favorite meal hot and fresh. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy crispy, delicious foods with less oil, aligning with your wellness goals without compromising on taste. Home entertainers. Impress guests with perfectly cooked appetizers, mains, and sides, all ready at the same time. Meal prep enthusiasts. Batch cook large portions or dehydrate snacks for the week ahead, saving time and effort. Beginner cooks. The user-friendly design and included recipes make it easy to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Final verdict, a must-have kitchen upgrade. The Topzee 11-quart large air fryer is a kitchen superhero that combines versatility, health-conscious cooking, and time-saving convenience in one sleek package. Whether you're feeding a hungry family, hosting a party, or simply craving crispy fries without the guilt, this air fryer delivers every time. Its dual cooking, 8-in-1 modes, and easy cleanup make it a standout choice for anyone looking to simplify meal prep while elevating flavor. If you enjoyed this review, like the video A,